Good morning, you guys. I woke up and today is Sunday. Today I'll be going out with my parents to Nantagong for worshiping. To worship, not worshiping. To worship. My mom was like, she wanted me and my brother to go together to that temple, and plus the people who are walking there, they asked that if we are at home, please bring us there. So we'll be going there together as a family. So I'll block. And now it is like 5:30 in the morning, and this is the view, you guys, of our way. That is that stroll we have gone for milking. We used to do that before, like a dairy farm, not in a huge number. We used to have like 10 to 15 cows. Now it has reduced, and we are not even milking because this calf has grown up. They're not infant anymore. That was not needed, but yeah. I'll see you guys when I get ready and we are off to go there. I'll shoot everything there. So stay tuned. I got ready. This is my dress. Yeah, cool.
Apa duduk di teruk? أجيب نزول أكيد مش lúc ấy làm ta là rồi kích lâu nằm mà giàu
Rồi.
nó masai mai dia nak ada buka. Macam mana nak kerja orang nak kita sama macam mana dia nak potong topi. Oh mana buku mobil. Phone. Went on, and it was so peaceful. I felt good, and my mom even cried. Come. That was for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please subscribe and please to comment your thoughts. I'd love to know that. And stay safe and be healthy.